I'm more comfortable in speaking in English. And before everything else, I'd like you all to know that this is not from ChatGPT. I've sat myself down and I've written down my speech. Thank you so much, the honored, distinguished guests who come all over Chennai, from Madurai, from Bangalore, and of course from our cultural heritage, Mysore. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your blessings, for your encouragement, and may your blessings always be upon me. I am not that good of a speaker, but this is all I have to say. I'm deeply grateful. I show my gratitude to all of you. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. It was an honor performing before you, in presence of you. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. And my dearest relatives, my teachers, my friends, everyone who's here, thank you so much for being here. I'm so happy. You've all lifted the spirit. I can see my teachers, Ramcharan sir, Vishwas sir, Hemavati ma'am. I can see Sanvi, Ananya. Yeah, and a special thanks for Ananya, Pratima, Aryan and Aditya, who've been my support throughout my life and everything I've done, and also Raghavendra sir, my UKG kindergarten principal. He's always been here, and Nandini ma'am, of course, and Ravnath sir. They both are Gayatri. Yes, Gayatri ma'am. They're all from college. I'm sorry if I'm missing out anyone. I'm just so happy. I can see a few of you, and I'm just recognizing and I'm calling out your names. And Sumang, Auntie, Manjunath uncle, thank you so much for being here. All my relatives, thank you so much. This means a lot to me. All of you have traveled from Bangalore and everywhere else. Thank you so much. A big fat thank you to the music ensemble, Shri Bala Subramanya Sharma sir, and my dad in vocal, my appa also in Natuanga. My favorite, my most favorite, Shri Janardhan Rao sir in Mridanga. I could listen to the audio, the recordings, just to listen to him play the Mridanga. I always keep telling Lekha and my dad, we just love what he does, and his love and dedication towards what he does. Thank you so much to sir and Shri Prasanna Devi sir in rhythm pad, Jairam Tikeri sir in flute, Dayakar sir in violin. Thank you so much, and also thank you, Ritika Pandarani ma'am, for your beautiful voice of the evening. You were so effortless and beautiful. Thank you so much. Shri Prabhakar Puttaya sir, thank you for capturing my most special day. Thank you so much. Madhusudan sir, he's handling the lights and sounds. He's so punctual. He doesn't require Appa to keep calling him, repeating like you have to be here. You know, he just knows what he does. He's so punctual. He reduced so much of stress for Appa, because usually the light and sound people, you know, like, they're not punctual. Yeah. So thank you so much for your punctuality, sir. And Chaudhary sir, he was here, he worked so hard. All the pictures in the invitations, you can see how beautiful they are. Thank you so much for him too. And my deepest gratitude to Shri Omkar Recording Studio, run by Omkar sir and his son, Srinidhi Anna. Thank you so much. They're not here, but I'm still showing my gratitude to them. Thank you so much. And of course, since 5 years at Tummy Fillers, Shri Narayana Bhatt sir and his whole team. Thank you so much. I hope they can hear me. And I'll move on to Lekha. It was very weird for me to perform solo today, because since it's been, I think, 18 years now, and we've always performed together. Like everywhere we've competed together, we've won awards together. Every performance, it was with her. Every time. I can only remember about 3 times or something recently in the past 2 or 3 years that I performed solo, only because she was very swamped with her architecture and work. But it's always with her. So it was very weird for me to be performing solo, and I missed it. And hopefully we'll give a duet Rangabhimandane soon in the coming months. And she's someone I look up to. She is, I think even if she wasn't my sister, I would have found my way around her. She's, apart from being my sister, she's my best friend. She's always going to be my best friend. She's someone I look up to. Like, I love you so much, and I just hope I can finish my speech without tearing up. She's one of the most beautiful and hardworking souls I've ever met. She's sick today. She's been sick actually. Most of the nights she just sleeps. She just gets 2 hours of sleep maximum. She's always working so hard. She's under so much stress. Yet she manages to do everything. She's there everywhere. She has learned around 3 new items in just 2 months. Very intricate items, but she still managed to be everywhere. She didn't even have time to do the invitation, but she still did it. I'm so grateful. You are someone I always look up to. You'll always be. I'll always wish the absolute best in everything you do. I'm super proud of you and all the best for tomorrow. They say the God sends the hardest, toughest wars to the strongest soldiers. And maybe that's why you're sick today. I know you're gonna rock tomorrow. All the best. I love you so much. And my amma, my strength, my comfort, and my heart, and the heart of our family. She quietly holds our family together. You know how the profession of a doctor is very hectic, but she has not missed a single performance of mine and Lekha or Appa. She's not missed a single performance. There might be 100 reasons, 100 obstacles, but she manages it somehow. She does night duties. She just does something because she has one good reason that she has to do. That's so admirable. If I could be even 10% of what you are, I'd be more than grateful. She's also an amazing poet. She never talks about herself. Whatever, she's so talented. She's so dedicated, and when it comes to her profession, I think Appa is alive today because of her. It was a very hard time for us in 2020. Corona hit us, and Appa was very sick. We didn't know if he would make it out alive. And Lekha and I were with Dodama the whole time. We were at our home, and we were still young, and she didn't tell us anything. But later, I got to know everything that she went through. He was in the operation theater, and she was so stressed. We didn't know what was gonna happen to him. But she got doctors from US. She took him to Chennai. I can't put it across words. Those were very hard moments, and she's so strong. She handled it all alone because Lekha and I still weren't in the age of offering her any support, emotionally or physically. But she did it all by herself, and I'm so proud of you. And you're so strong. You're so admirable, so kind. All the synonyms of good and beautiful is what you are. I love you so much, and she was more excited than me or Lekha. Everything, the stickers, these bells, they washed all of these. Everything was washed, the windows, the screens, everything was washed. And only Appa and Amma did. No help from anybody else. They did it. They won't say it out loud, but I have to tell it. And I'm so grateful for both of you. Moreover, I should have started by talking about my Ajji, Muddama Ajji, my dad's mom. I don't think this day would be happening today if she hadn't pushed Appa or given him support to learn dance. I really wish both my maternal and paternal grandparents were alive to see me here. I really wish they were here. I know that their blessings will always be upon me. I'm so grateful. I know they're looking over me. And a huge thank you for Ajji for whatever she's done. Because of her, he is what he is and I am what I am. Thank you so much to all of them. And when it comes to Amma, I've just written down a few notes. Like these two, every time they go out, coincidentally, like they wouldn't even have planned. They somehow, even today you can see, they're both wearing white, matching dress. Every time they head out, 70% of the time, they're wearing matching clothes. They wouldn't have decided, but it just happens. I love them. It sometimes makes me feel like they're the perfect match. Like she's always been a support to Appa and everything he does. Because back in those days, men doing Bharatanatyam wasn't as acceptable back then. oh, that's so feminine, how do you even be proud of it? No, but her mind was so open. She's always supported him, and I'm so grateful for everything you've done. That's all I can say. I can't say anything more. That's all. I'm just so grateful for both of you. I love you all so much. Thank you. And Appa, my guru, I am so lucky that he is my dad and also my guru. I have, through him, I've been to so many other performances, I've met so many gurus, none like him. I'm not telling this because he's my dad. Of course I'm proud, but it's not because of that. Purely apart from that, I'm so grateful that he's my dad and I got him as my guru. It is, of course, there are many kids with talent, but it takes a good teacher to bring out that talent in a kid. Not everybody can do that. Only when the roots are strong, the tree can grow and bear beautiful fruits and flowers. And whatever I am today, it is because of him. It is because my roots are strong and he is my roots. It is because of everything he's done, everything he's taught me. He's so humble. He might have won so many awards, so many honors, so many titles. Doesn't care. If there is toppe on the road, he'll still clean it. He doesn't care. He paints the rooms. He washes our own building. He does everything. He's so humble. I love that about him. And he's so emotional. He says everything out. He's not afraid to cry. He cries in front of me and Lekha. When he's heard about something, he cries. That is so manly. And in my home, when we were kids, as I said before, we didn't have any support because we lost both our maternal and paternal grandparents. Amma used to travel to Virajpet every day. Every day she used to cook breakfast and leave at 5 a.m. 3 hours journey to Virajpet, and she'd head back home around 6 p.m. And because he didn't want her to stop studying, he wanted her to study and get a job because that was her dream too. When she was away, he used to bathe me and Lekha. He used to cook food for us. He's an amazing cook. He cleans the house. He does everything. Everything. He has set the standards up so high. He did everything. Even now, almost every night, he's the one who feeds me uta. If I wake him up at 12 a.m. and I tell him apply oil to my hair, without a second thought, he just calls Bangari ba. Ha korti. His love is, I can't even find a word. Both of them are like Arthana Arishwara. Like, he is a mother and a father. She is a mother, also a father. He's also been a motherly figure even for my mom in so many aspects. These 2 months, I told, all the items I performed today, 5 of them were new items. He's worked so hard in just 2 months, including my items and Lekha's 3 new items. He's put in so much efforts and taught us day and night. Our practice sessions used to end around 10:30, 11, almost every day. He's sat, he's taught us, he's done everything. I'm beyond grateful, and apart from being a student or anything else, it is very hard nowadays to be able to afford to do a Ranga Pravesha because the stage costs 1 lakh, the music another lakh, the sounds, the invitations, everything costs so much. Even now when I think about other kids who want to do, they will have to pay something, but I don't have to. I got everything. How lucky I am. I am so grateful. Like everything has just come to me. I don't have to pay for anything. I don't have to worry about anything because it's there. And I really hope I can continue his legacy and be humble and follow everything that he does. Thank you. I just want to be even 10% of what they both are. I really hope I can continue this legacy, and as I said, like, I'm out of words. I'm so happy today happened. Also, big thanks to KPSC students. If I've missed out anyone, I'm really sorry. Thank you for all my friends who are here today. Saloni Jagdish ma'am, Hemalata ma'am. Thank you, Prithvi, Sanvi, Ananya. Yes, thank you. I think I've covered all of them. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you.